Have you ever wondered why, in our modern world, we feel completely drained by midday? We have better food, more comfortable living conditions, yet most people are running on empty. The system offers us the same tired solutions. Grab an energy drink, take a vacation, blame it on aging. But what if we're looking at this all wrong? High in the Altai Mountains, right at the edge of the eternal snow line, lived the Maral deer. These magnificent creatures embody raw, primal power. Hunters noticed something extraordinary centuries ago. During the brutal mating season, when these animals are pushed to complete exhaustion, they don't just lie down to rest. Instead, they seek out and dig up the root of a specific plant that botanists call Rhaponticum carthamoides, or Maral Root. In literally one night, the animal recovers energy that, according to conventional biology, should be impossible to restore. Local people say this root can bring a person back from the brink 14 times. This isn't folklore. It's a concrete biological survival mechanism. Today, I want to explore why this ancient knowledge is being replaced with synthetic substitutes and how you can reclaim your natural power source. Let's look at the facts. Maral root contains a unique compound called Ecdysterone. You might have heard about it in sports nutrition circles, but they drastically oversimplify its significance. In nature, Ecdysterone drives metamorphosis, the process where one living creature completely transforms into another, more advanced form. Think of a caterpillar becoming a butterfly, or a larva transforming into a beetle. In the human body, it works as a natural and completely safe catalyst for protein synthesis. It strengthens your heart muscle, increases tissue density, and restores hormonal balance. But here's the critical detail. Unlike synthetic compounds that hijack your endocrine system and create dependency, Maral root simply restores your body's natural settings. The system doesn't want people with this kind of autonomy and physical resilience. A weak, medically dependent person is far easier to control. When your body becomes strong, your mind inevitably becomes clearer and more independent. But here's where we need an important caveat. It's not enough to know about the power of Maral root. You need to understand exactly how this power enters your system. Most of you deciding to try Maral root will probably head to the nearest health store and buy a standard alcohol tincture for cheap. And this is where you'll fall into a classic trap. The active compounds in Maral root, those precious ecdysteroids, are extremely delicate. Alcohol is an aggressive solvent that over time literally destroys the intricate structure of these compounds. What's more, the alcohol base itself creates a false sense of energy. You feel a slight boost from the ethanol and vascular dilation, but you're getting almost none of the therapeutic effects of the Maral root itself. The system is perfectly happy selling you an empty bottle in dark glass. You don't see results, and eventually you go back to synthetic medications. If you truly want to experience that primal Maral power we're talking about, forget about cheap tinctures. Maral root works either as a fresh decoction of the root, prepared in a water bath, or as a highly concentrated dry extract, where the living structure of the plant is preserved. Don't let cheap formulations fool you and steal your expectations. Real power demands the right approach. We're living in a state of perpetual informational and social stress. Our adrenal glands are maxed out, constantly pumping cortisol. Maral root is arguably the most powerful natural adaptogen on Earth. Think about it. This plant survives where most species perish, in oxygen-depleted conditions with freezing winds and harsh UV radiation. It learned to accumulate energy in the most hostile environment imaginable. When you use Maral root, you're not getting artificial stimulation like caffeine, which always ends in a crash. You're simply expanding your internal reservoir. You become calmer, your reflexes sharpen, and your mind stops racing. It's a state of calm power that was long accessible only to elite groups, from cosmonauts to special forces operatives. They required superhuman endurance to complete their missions, while ordinary people were told their exhaustion was normal. You need to understand that your fatigue is profitable for those selling you temporary fixes. In old medical texts about Maral Root, there's a remarkable phrase: "It fills a person with interest in life." And this is the deepest truth. When you have surplus energy, you stop being merely a consumer of content. You start creating, changing the space around you, defending your interests. The system benefits when you're inert. But nature encoded a transformation program into this bitter root, one available to everyone. Maral Root won't solve your problems, but it will give you the foundation on which you can build your new reality. This isn't magic, it's pure physiology given back to us by our roots. Stop looking for salvation in prescription receipts. The power was always inside you. You just need to activate it correctly. Think about it. Your energy is your freedom.